twinning. We both have the same top. She got the brown one, I get the baby blue. Second fit. It's pretty view. We can be here all freaking day. Morning besties. I know I look cray right now, but I am getting ready because we're gonna do a lot of shooting today. We're going all the way to DC today. It's gonna be me and my best friend Ashley, so we're gonna go and shoot. I'm testing this like curl. I'm still not sure if I'm doing this right. Hopefully I'm doing this right, but anyways, I just got done doing like a quick makeup, not too heavy because it's gonna be hot later today. And yeah, so I'm gonna vlog as well so you guys can see where we're going, where are we, you know, like going. So for the lips, I got this like Christian Dior like tinted lip oil, I think, and I want to show you guys later because I ordered that from like Sephora last week or two, that I haven't tried. So I'm just securing, make sure that my lashes will stay because sometimes they will like not stay at all. So if that's the case, I'm gonna bring my glue, like this lash glue, just in case if they're gonna act up or yeah, whatnot. But anyways, I'm also gonna show you guys my outfits because we are shooting like content, at least 3. I'm gonna try to shoot 3 to 4 different outfits today, which is like, because it's gonna be a lot. But yes, yeah, I'll catch up with you besties later. Okay, my hair is finally done. It looks average, you know. It's not that like great, but oh well. And I love my curtain bangs really much. Okay, so this is what I got from Dior, the Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil, and this is in the shade Cherry Oil, I think. Yeah, Cherry Oil Infused 020. This one here, it's so tiny. I love the packaging. So I'm gonna be using this lip oil, or yeah, from Dior. And I think I'm gonna line my lips with my favorite lip liner, which is from LA Girl, very cheap, which is the shade Cafe. By the way, I'm also gonna be using my by far bag. She's so freaking cute and I just love it. Like the shape, the color screams summer, which is, you know, it's summertime. Okay, so this is very cheap. I have like 5 of this like lip pencil because I just love them. They remind me of like the strip down from MAC. Okay, so let me line this really quick. Oh my guys, look at the one. Very creamy. I mean, the product is so creamy. Oh my god, hold on. Hello. Oh my god, this is amazing. Look at this. So I also put the shade Guide Me lip liner from Morphe, which is the shade Guide Me, together with the Cafe from LA Girl, and the lip gloss on top of it. How do you guys like, how do we feel about this like lip combo? I love it. It's very juicy, and it's like, because I don't like wearing matte lipstick, especially when it's summertime, because it's just, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but like summertime it's all about like gloss. Even wintertime I just love gloss now than like matte lipstick. So yeah, this is really good. So I'm gonna bring this with me. So it's this 2 other lip, and I have to buy more of this like blotting paper because I know damn well when it's summertime I sweat a lot, and this is my best friend. And yeah, this is like the blotting paper from Elf. This is very cheap, like $2. So yeah, I'm just gonna be waiting for Ashley because she's gonna drive today, And yeah, so I'm excited to vlog as well and take you guys with us on this trip. So we got in for free because Ashley is in the military. Just kidding, no. Her husband is.
And so then it gave you the perfect opportunity to say yours is too.
Mine's too. But anyway, let's not talk about that. Let's talk about this. Okay, you guys, you're gonna get, look, there's like a shelter here. Hold on. It's like fallout shelter. This is like from the Cold War. Like here, you can enter here. I wish we got keys, but we don't. Look at this pretty view. We can be here all freaking day. We're just waiting on our frozen, what was it? Frozen drink?
Raspberry lemonade.
Frozen raspberry lemonade. Look at her. All nice and cute. I know. Hi guys. So we're here at this like beautiful orchid.
With the best lighting ever. It's
I know.
Yeah.
Gonna be, okay, you're gonna do a whole tour for us. Look at
Here
her.
we have some orchids. Some more orchids.
Look at these flowers. Don't mind the drink.
What anything else is called.
But look, I just want you guys to appreciate this. I mean, this is gonna be me if I don't have kids in like 30 years from now. Yeah, we are twinning. We both have the same top. She got the brown one, I get the baby blue, and we just like shoot content here. I mean, look at this lighting.
If you want to shoot with us, we got them at Shop Cider.
Yes, at this point, sponsor
If
us.
you want to be a triplet with us.
Second fit. Bathroom, then I don't know what it is. Like, look at the tub. Oh my freaking god. Look at this view. This little fountain.
Tomorrow.
Hi besties, it's Saturday. It's the next day. Yesterday was really fun, and Ashley and I had the longest day, and I came home, I would say almost like 2 something o'clock, because I gotta have fun at DC, because we barely, when we go to DC, I mean when we visit DC, like, well, I barely, to begin with, I barely go to DC just because I don't like to drive there, and I don't like to, you know, like, the parking there is expensive to begin with, and if you can't find any parking spaces, then you have to parallel park, which is like Anyways, so like I said, highly recommend if you guys, you know, are from the area. So I got this package yesterday, or not yesterday, the other day, from the Djerf. I ordered a few more pieces from the Djerf. I want to show you guys, and I already worn them, so I think you're gonna see that on my Instagram, you know, feed. If you guys are not following me, what are you doing? I'm gonna put my Instagram handle here. So I want to show you guys first is this top. I wore this yesterday with the skirt that I thrifted. It was really good. It was a good combo. But this is the top from the Djerf. I believe this is like their new top. It looks really small. I got the size medium to large, but let me tell you, this holds perfect. Like my baby is really good, and it has like a really nice support, and it's very stretchy. So I got the white one, and they come in the black one, which I was thinking maybe getting the black one, but I got the white one, and it's very soft, like very soft right there, like, and it's very stretchy too. It's like rib material. Stretchy, super cute. And then, so this is what they look like. I'm also, if you guys want to see how I style this, like I said, follow me on my Instagram, because I already posted a picture for this one right here. Okay, so the next one is this black dress, which is I freaking love, and I also wore this at the garden. I was shooting this dress at the garden, which is really nice. Just a basic black, you know, plain black dress. You can style this down, you can style this up, you know, like it's literally up to you. And then of course it's black, like it's a staple. Like you have to have a black dress or tube black dress. I have black dresses, but I don't have any tube dresses, and this is also perfect for summertime because, you know, it's getting hot outside. And if you want to just like a really like casual, you know, like black dress, like if you don't know like what you're gonna like, how do you call this, if you don't know what to wear, then this is like the dress for you. So this is what it looks like. Very cute. But anyways, I finally came in to this, which is I got the size medium, and it's still very, I would say it's still very how do you call this, it's very oversized, which is I also love. We love a good oversized button up. So it says right there, Djerf Avenue, which is really nice. And then the unique part of this button up in the back is like there's like a little slit in the back, which is kind of like cool. Right there, it's like a little slit. And they also have it in satin black, but I don't think I'm gonna get those because I already thrifted this like perfect satin black button up, which I don't think I showed you guys. But anyways, I went to the thrift store, I would say like a couple months ago at Goodwill, and I found this like skirt, which is I wore yesterday together with this like white top. Immaculate. So this is the skirt that I wore, and mind you, I got this for $1. Yes, you heard me right, I got this for $1. Look at this skirt. She is pretty cute, very flowy, like green brownie, green and brown mixture. Amazing. So yes, you're gonna, like I said, if you guys want to see how I style these pieces, then you can go ahead on my Instagram. Also, last but not least, for this like little quick haul, I ordered these glasses from the brand On The Trend right there. And look at these glasses, you guys. Isn't this just like the staple, like summer, or like not just like all year around glasses? Like look at that. And then they're like logo, I would say. So freaking cute, like super cute, right? Like super cute. I'm excited to style this as well. I didn't really like style this yesterday. I was actually wearing this while I was wearing my true black dress because it was sunny out in DC. I just didn't get a chance to like take a picture and photo of it, but yeah, I'm gonna definitely wear this. Also, I want to show you guys some PR packages that I received a week or two ago. So Hookah Swimwear sent this like their new bikini set. This is the bikini top look like. I cannot wait to like wear this, especially summertime is here. And of course I'm gonna be wearing this. I'm planning to go to like a beach soon, maybe like next weekend or so, like 4th of July. So yeah, this is their new bikini. I have been following Hoka Sumer like a long time ago, and I am like excited that to work with them. And this is the bottom looks like, which is very cheeky, but we're gonna try to work that out. So this is the bottom look like. Let me just adjust the, if you guys can see so you guys can see the color. It's the color look like, and you can tie it around, and then this is like in the back, so it's like very, very cheeky. So thank you so much Hoka Sumer for, you know, sending this over. And if you guys are interested on their swimwear, I'm also gonna leave the link in my description box below, so you guys can check it out. And of course I got another package from Missouri. They sent this bracelet, which is I was wearing yesterday. Hold on, let's see. So of course there's dust bag, and you know, their box, which is really like, I love the Missouri boxes. They're really cute. Like, you can, I literally put back like my jewelries here because I don't want them to like scratch or so. So let me show you guys what they sent me. So this is the bracelet that they sent me. So freaking cute. I put it back on the box because I don't want it to be mixed with my other cheap jewelries, just because it's gonna get scratched and I don't want that to happen. So this is the I just kind of like put them back on right here, and I think this is like blue. I'm gonna try to put the information if you guys are interested on, you know, purchasing any Missouri bracelet, earrings, like any accessories. I do have a coupon code from them. I'm gonna put it on the screen somewhere or description box below as well. So thank you so much Missouri for sending this over. I'm still not done cleaning, as you guys can see. I'm still not done cleaning. I made this very amazing bagel sandwich. I put like avocados, egg, and turkey bacon with some cream cheese, and it's freaking amazing. So anyways, I'm gonna continue to just like clean the house, because I know that you guys don't want to see me cleaning the house, or like this room especially. It's kind of like a little boring, but you know, just like kind of like talk to you guys in a little bit, because I feel like I'm just gonna film the figs, how do you call this, the figs try on haul tomorrow, because right now it's already too late. It's 5 p.m. I woke up very late just because I'm just tired from yesterday. So yes, I'm gonna figure out to clean the room real quick, and then also the studio room, so I can easily film tomorrow's videos. I have 3 try-on videos that I want to film tomorrow, so I'm gonna like make sure that my studio is clean. So other than that, I'll keep you updated if there's something interesting, if there's something nice or going on in this like vlog. But anyways, I'll talk to you in a little bit.